Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today in this video I will be teaching you how to make a data store, aka how to save your gems, levels and money and etc. So let's get in the video. First of all, make sure you go game settings and security and you enable studio access to API services, because if you don't let them access your API services from studio, then the data in Roblox Studio will not be able to work. So as we opened it, let's get into video. First of all, we need a stat. Let's make a simple leader stats script. Alright guys, I made a simple leader stats script, so let's test it out. As you see, we have money here in the leader stats, and let's make the data script. So you see this is the whole thing, whole data store script. It's really easy to edit. First of all, you need to see this line, save one is player.stats.money. When you need to delete this, alright, this is really important, so we deleted that. This save one value has to be your currency. It has to be what you want to save. For example, I want to save my money. Where is my money? My money is in folder leader stats. Where is leader stats? It's in player. So you are coming here, you have to say player dot leader stats. Make sure you write it perfectly. Even if you misspell a single word, then it will be messed up. So let's continue. Player dot leader stats, and you need to write the name of your value. In my case, it's money. I did it, as you see. You just need to do this. So I made my first value, and that's not all. You need to come here. I already did this, so you don't need to change anything. But in case if you need to add another value, you need to add other things as well. We will get into those in the future parts of video. So let's get down, and you see this also here. There's also another usage of this value, and as I said, if you need to add another saving value, you need to copy this and paste it again and say save to that value, etc. We will get there, and you need to go down here, and you see it doesn't use save. It doesn't use this local, because this value, this save on value, is only in this lines of scripts. It's not here, so this lines of scripts cannot use it. So you need to write it manually again. As I said, my value is money, so let's say where is my value? It's in leader stats, and where's leader stats? It's in player. So player dot leader stats dot money, and make sure you write value in this case, because it needs to be value. Here it doesn't, you don't need to write a value, I mean that value, because as you see it already writes value here. So let's see if it works. We joined, and if you want to change your money, you can simply do it by client. You need to click this button and get into server. If you're in client, it does not save, and you need to go players, A9B3Z4, leader stats, money, and I want to give myself so much money. Yes, as you see, I have 999 billion money. I'm rich. I'm Mr. Beast. I'm pressed. And let's leave. I left, and I want to join again and see if my money got saved, and as you see, my money got saved. So let's say you want to add another value. For example, you have gems. Let's add gems here. Local gems equals instance dot new. It can also be levels as well. It doesn't have any limitations. And leader stats, and it doesn't even have to be in leader stats as well. I'm writing it in leader stats, but you don't need to. Let's make it in player. Let's make this value in player, because I want to show you that. And gems dot name equals to gems, obviously. let's use it. So we go data store, data stats, and you see save one. So we need to copy this line of code. You need to paste it, and you need to make this save to. So save to is our gems, and we need to access our gems. Where is our gems value? As you see, it's in player. By the way, if you simply put a comma after what you made with instance, you can simply set its parent. It's a shortcut. Okay, so where is my gems? It's in player. So I say player dot, what's my name of my value? It is gems. So I say gems. Pretty simple. And you need to change these as well. You don't need to change these. You need to add new things to here. So you select this line of code, you copy it. You can use it, you can do it via right click, copy, and you need to go down here. You need to change all these ones to 2. As you see, I made all of them 2. Is this it? No, that's not it. And you need to put your value here as well. So you need to copy this, say one.value, you need to put a comma, and then you need to paste it, and then change it to your save value. So we made the player added part, and we also need to handle the player removing part. By the way, if I have to explain this, this part is basically when player joins, player gets the value in their data store. For example, when player left, player had 50,000 gems, and when player rejoins, this part makes sure he gets that gems, and this part saves his gems when he leaves. Okay, so we need to put another value here. As you see, this does not use save, because the save values are here, not here. So you need to put a comma right here, and then you need to copy this new value you want to put, and then you need to paste it and make sure you write that value. It is important, because as I already said, but I want to repeat it, you see, we don't use that value here, but we use, because it already uses that value here, here, and pretty much everywhere. But we need to write that value here because it's obvious. So let's see it. Play. And I want to change the server. As you see, there's a gems value, and I want to make my gems a lot. I don't see gems here because it's not in leader stats folder. As you see, it's in player folder. This is the player. So our gem value is, wait, how much 9s are there? 3, 9, 6. What did I just say? I don't know what did I just say, but basically it's 999 trillion gems probably. So we left the game, and we want to rejoin, we want to get our gems back. And let's see. And as you see, 999 trillion gems. So yeah, that's pretty much all. As I said, your value doesn't need to be in leader stats, it can be in player folder as well. And it also can be in another folder, like for example, you don't want to name your folder leader stats, you want to name your folder my gems, for example, and it can still work. It doesn't have to be in certain way. It doesn't even have to be in under player, like it can be in workspace as well, but I wouldn't recommend that because like it's not efficient to make, and yeah, it's just bad. Don't do that. Okay, now thank you for watching me. As you see, the game says, the Roblox says subscribe. Group games link are in description, and I mean group, and yeah, Roblox pretty much messed up because I said and here. Basically what Roblox want to say is group and games links are in description. If you want, you can go check them out. Thank you for watching my video, and Well, look, this rig is here, right? And as you see, this rig is here, this rig is looking at you. Do you know what does that rig wants to say? This rig wants to say that thank you for watching this video, and this rig wishes you best. He believes that you will have a great game with this data store code. The scripts are in description, as I said. See ya.